Morning, guys. It is 4:20 in the morning. Yes, 4:20 in the morning. Getting ready to shower, maybe shave because the wife asked me to. And then we're gonna load and go. Actually, we're already loaded. I loaded up. We didn't get out of the shop last night till 10:30 last night. Didn't get home till almost 11. And then loaded last night. So then I'm just gonna go. Wow, I'm delirious right now. I'll see you in a little bit. We are on the road. I'm a little bit more awake. Now it's Operation Do Not Hit Any Water in the Roadway. I'm sure Dirty Diesel's lot is going to be completely wet. I think everything just runs to the rear of the building there. But hopefully we can keep this truck clean. Gauges are working. Alright, I'll see you guys at Dirty Diesel's. What do you think, guys? What do you think the verdict is? Did I destroy the truck on the way here? Or is it clean? I don't think we're that bad. The beast got out of towing again because, well, the truck's too high. They have their Genie hitch. Doesn't go low enough. They have like the first gen of it, but I mean, we're a little dirty, but not bad. Just got to make it through here without making a mess. Still not bad. See how things go. Check out Josh's new wheels, man. Things are sharp. That's sick. Aaron's got his new fuels on, brushed with clear. That is sick. Kind of jealous. I'm thinking I might need to switch up, do something different. Those true spike lugs are looking pretty good. All black. As the missus is here, booth is getting set up. Oh, I did. Getting all nice and pretty like. Ready for the event. I am exhausted, very exhausted, but this is definitely a cool setup that we got going on here. Muldoon's right here, Mikey G, Wrenchworks, and all this is Dirty Diesels up here. Are you pumped? Are you excited for today?
For tomorrow.
For tomorrow?
Yeah.
Managed to not get the truck too dirty on the way up here. Just a little bit of dirt. Chase is gonna wipe this down again tomorrow, finish the interior, but not too bad. I did a really good job dodging those puddles. Well, it is the second day, day one of Motorama. Prep and setup's all done. Wife won't walk up to the gates with me because she says it's too cold outside.
It's too cold. Why wait outside? No.
The struggle's real, but I'm like antsy. I want to get in there. I want to get in.
Doors don't open until 8.
It's 7:56 and it takes about 2 minutes to walk up there. We're parked next to Greg A's truck. His truck's just as filthy as ours, if not worse. But it's gonna be a good day. John from Headlight Revolution's coming. He'll be here at some point this morning and with us for the whole weekend. And Chase will be out here to detail the truck. Welcome back. It's like we never left.
Oh, I know, right?
I didn't do too bad of a job wiping it down, did I?
You missed a few spots, but it's all right. That's all right.
That's what I told myself. I said, you know what? I'm gonna stop before I make it worse. So. And he's got your special, that's not the special juice, is it?
Same stuff.
Same stuff?
Same stuff.
Okay. Morning, Kieran.
What's going on?
How you doing, buddy?
Getting down to business already.
Already. Chase is on the case.
Chase is on the case.
How was your trip, buddy?
Oh, it was good. It was long. Flew to Minneapolis, Detroit, and then here. Got here about 10 o'clock at night. So
yeah, I know. I was like, we were going to try to meet up with you for dinner last night, and then I was like, no, we'll be in bed by 10. But what time did we didn't get back till like 10. Right? Still felt late.
It felt late, but
felt very late.
No, I was asleep, but it was like 10 o'clock. We were already in bed, lights out, TV out.
But check out his shoes, guys. Look at these custom shoes made by Nike. You gotta pull the tongue apart. I'll do it for you. He's working, guys. Look at that. That is cool. He's all decked out. Headlight Revolution.
Oh yeah.
Giving one of these sets away. Coming up with some ideas for the wife's 5th gen Ram Rebel, and I spotted a truck here at Motorama. I think that I think this is the route that she should go. You guys let me know your thoughts. We'll see what her reaction is when she sees this truck. Just look at it. We could do this to your truck. What are your thoughts?
I would never get it up the drive.
I love those bumpers. I wanted to put those bumpers on the Beast bodyguards. Look at this thing. This thing is ridiculous.
It's a SEMA build.
It's a what?
SEMA build.
SEMA build?
SEMA.
Oh, clearly. I think I've seen this truck before. This thing is ridiculous.
It's only a 12-inch.
It's a 12-inch lift?
Yeah, on factory air ride. Oh my gosh. It has the stuff.
26 forces, 26-inch forces. Look at these things. These are ridiculous. 37 by 13.5-inch. What do you think? Should we do it to yours?
I want to go an inch higher.
You want to go an inch higher? Yeah, right. There's no way. As your daily. This would be your daily. Dude, the suspension in this thing is probably extremely expensive. Very expensive. So this thing lowers. It can lower.
Oh, well then, done deal.
Yeah, it's probably like a $15,000 lift.
I'm worth it.
She is worth it, guys. She is worth it. Just Ram Beast ain't got all that greenback. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
You having fun at Motorama?
I actually am, surprisingly.
It's been great, guys. Meeting a lot of subscribers and new subscribers coming here. So it's been totally worth it.
It's actually been so cool. The people that's come and said hi, thank you, and it was awesome to meet you. You guys are awesome.
I know, it was cool. We had people from Maryland that came here.
Yes.
I think Virginia.
New Jersey.
New Jersey to see us. That's freaking phenomenal. It's awesome.
Me, not him.
Yeah, and you didn't have your Girl Scout
I know,
cookies.
they came
People
for
are,
the cookies,
yep,
I didn't have them.
yep.
looks so different on TV than it does in person.
This concludes Motorama 2019. Hey John, did you have a good time with us?
Oh yeah, it was awesome.
Sunday was kind of lame, but
A little bit, but Saturday was awesome. I swear.
someone's going to win those Morimoto XB. Excuse me, guys. I am exhausted. John's probably exhausted too. But
bit.
yeah.
Oh yeah.
Thanks for coming out, John.
Yeah.
We really appreciate it. It's
Oh,
been a pleasure hanging out with you.
Oh yeah, not a problem. Thanks for having me.
And you're going to come next year, right?
Gonna try. Yeah.
Gonna try?
It's gonna be awesome.
Maybe even bring a display or something.
Try to bring the Super Duty.
Ford? I don't know. We hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you're thumbs up. If you're stopping by for the first time, make sure you tap, smash, do something to that subscribe button. We love you guys. We'll see you in the next upload.